a cutie. See that? I have to go ahead. Just keep going, right? That's the beauty of hiking. That's Canadian Pacific Rail. So I'm at the intersection of Mantario Trail, actually the first intersection. So that way is the main route of Mantario Trail. If you want to hike the entire Mantario Trail, just go that way. Another like 50 kilometers hike. But obviously I'm not going that way because I can't finish the entire trail this time. So I'm gonna go that way. That way is leading up to west to Caribou Lake campsite. I'm gonna spend the night there and then hike the same way back tomorrow morning. That's the plan. Yeah, pretty awesome. Okay, I can see the lake. All right, the last of 400 meters. Yeah, here I am. I see the bear box. That's it. Woo! Good. A privy. I'm not going to use that. Hey, a little shovel. Okay. I might have to use that. Yeah, get rid of some snow. Okay, thanks. Alright, here I am. The picnic table, the fire pit. Everything right here at Caribou Lake. It's in front of me. How nice. How nice is that? Alright. So it starts snowing right now. But I know it's not gonna be a big dump, so it's okay. So I'm gonna have to clean up the campsite and set up the tent. Yeah, that's the most important thing. My socks are soaked. I do have spare socks, so I'm not quite concerned about that. Anyway. Ooh. I think there's a pretty good campsite over there, but I'm not gonna go any further. Just set up the tent right here. It's a pretty good place. A lot of snow. Okay guys, so it's about 7 p.m. right now, and completely dark and cold outside, but I'm feeling pretty comfortable and cozy inside the tent, inside my sleeping bag, because I have a super hot bottle of water in my sleeping bag. I think that's gonna keep me warm for at least 4 hours, and after that I'm gonna boil the water again and put that back into my sleeping bag. That's gonna keep me warm for another 4 hours, which is awesome, you know. I think that's the highest level of winter camping, because you can keep you warm all night long. That's awesome. So I don't feel hungry right now because I just had some snacks. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this trail. This trail is called Mantario Trail, which is not famous worldwide. It's just a famous hiking trail locally in Manitoba. It's got 63 kilometers long. It's a point-to-point hiking trail. You can hike from the south trailhead to the north trailhead, or the other way around. So obviously you do need to have a shuttle bus arrangement to pick you up from the other side of the trail. So I don't have that. That's why I can't complete the entire trail this time. So I decided to complete a part of this trail, which is from the south trailhead to the west Caribou Lake campsite. So here I am. I am spending the night camping on the west Caribou Lake campsite right now. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna hike the same way back to the south trailhead. So this part of the trail, this part of the Mantario Trail, is the hardest part. It's 20 kilometers round trip, 10 kilometers one way. So I hiked the 10 kilometers to the campsite and hike another 10 kilometers back to the trailhead tomorrow morning. Today, and the first 5 kilometers is pretty challenging. It's very scenic. You got the most scenic views along the way, and you got lots of uphills and downhills, scrambles, water crossings. It's pretty much like Canadian Shield territory, so it's pretty good, and the views are good. But the next 5 kilometers is pretty ugly. It's a forest area, nothing special along the way, no pretty sceneries, nothing at all. So it's just it's a pretty ugly trail for the next 5 kilometers. So before I decided to hike this trail, there's one thing that got me concerned and worried, is the possibility of getting lost in the wilderness, because the entire Mantario Trail, including this part of the trail, stretches into true wilderness of the Canadian Shield. So I was kind of concerned, if I get lost in the woods, it would be pretty time consuming and nerve-wracking to find the way out. But surprisingly, the trail is super well marked. You can see a blue arrow sign, like every 20 meters hike you can see a sign posted on trees. That's awesome. You don't even have to check your GPS or trail map. Yeah, I didn't do that. I didn't even look at my trail map or GPS, just to follow the sign. There's no way you would get lost. Absolutely no way. So that's pretty much the plan. Awesome hike, challenging, but I wouldn't say it's tough. It's not quite tough, because I don't feel tired, exhausted. I don't feel tired after 10 kilometers hike. My legs are not getting cramps, so it's not quite tough. I mean, compared to the last one I hiked, the Hunt Lake Trail, that one's pretty tough. That one's even shorter. And tonight, I think tonight is colder than that night. So yeah, this is not quite tough hiking, but definitely challenging. So yeah, that's pretty much the hike, the trail. I think I'm gonna get into sleep early tonight, because tomorrow is tomorrow I'm gonna have another 10 kilometers challenge, and it's gonna be snowing tonight. Hopefully I can still find the way out, still find the way, because I'm kind of concerned that if the trail is covered by new fallen snow or tree branches, it's gonna be a big problem for me to find a way out. But I think it should be fine, because you can see the sign everywhere. Yep. So I see you guys tomorrow. You have good sleep. Morning. 8 o'clock. Oh, that was an awesome sleep. I mean, super comfortable and cozy. I really don't want to get up because my sleeping bag is super warm right now, This little bottle kept me warm for 8 hours. I got up once to reboil the water, and put it back into my sleeping bag. So that's awesome method to keep you warm. Oh my god, that's super warm. Ooh. But I think it's super cold out there. Yeah, I really don't want to get out there, But yeah, I still have things to do, Alright, get up and cook breakfast, and then start packing things up and heading back. Another 10 kilometers hike. Yeah, just give me a second. Give me a second. Yeah, I really want to sleep more. Like sleep half an hour, 1 hour more. But I can't. I have to get out here before 9:30. Yeah. Okay. Let's get up. This time, I got my Chinese noodles. Not Korean anymore, I like Chinese noodles. I like hot noodle soup in this freezing cold weather, Awesome. Alright guys, I just finished the packing. I'm ready to go back to the South Trailhead. This is pretty much the end of this episode of hiking Mantario Trail. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really appreciate your time. This is you know, very awesome winter morning right here. I had a great time, you know, great camping, great hiking. I had a great sleep last night. But this is probably the last hiking video for this winter season. So from next video on, I'm gonna be mainly focused on winter camping videos like bushcraft camping, ice fishing camping, and hot tent camping. I hope you guys enjoy the video in the future. Stay tuned for the next video. Again, if this happens to be your fantasy adventure, come back for the next one. Happy New Year, guys. Bye.